welcome Nore Davis!
Bird gang, bird gang. All right, amen. Amen. Let the church. All right. Feeling good here, sympathy. Symphony space. Symphony. Cynthia space. Feeling good, Cynthia space. I'm just trying to be funny and do. Oh God. I dropped the remote because I've been up early in the morning. Getting our day going because we know what we got to do. We ain't got no time for that bullshit at night. We got shit to do because we are the ones. I want to get this started. Before I start, I want to start a quote of a famous hip-hop philosopher. All right? Bird, AM gang. We right here. So, all right. I want to start this shit off straight by telling all three of y'all, stop playing with my name. Stop playing with my fucking name. Oh my God. When my name come up, respect it. This is from the early bird OG, Birdman. Y'all all right? Yeah, I use jokes unlike you. Night owls have no time to write jokes. Early birds, I wrote this shit 5 a.m.
That's nighttime.
That's the morning. Now, early birds, this meme right here started from Hot 97 Birdman, Problem 105.1. You guys, it's not NPR. So, he came on there, he got a little violent. And this meme right here, this whole confrontation became a meme. And these AM meme generators went to work and they created one of the best works that made us laugh early in the morning, like this meme right here. Respect the lemonade right here. I ain't coming down here till I get some respect. My favorite Drake meme right here. Memes are, do I have to explain memes? All right, well, the young white people get it. Okay. And my favorite meme, Birdman, put some respect on it. Chipotle later, respect is extra, that, okay? Created in the morning by early bird meme generators. Regardless of sex, gender, and race, memes have brought all of us together. And early bird did that shit. Just like meme generators who are up at the crack of dawn to make people laugh, some of the greatest moments happen by early bird people during early bird time. Early bird time is that time when you wake up in the morning to go to the bathroom, and then you go back to bed, and then you just keep scrolling on your Twitter and Instagram. That is 5 a.m. to 11 a.m. That's early bird time. And take note, they keep saying daytime. I don't know what the fuck those people are. Because we already done with our day. Early bird time, which everyone knows will get you, blah, blah, blah. All right, sorry. Okay, so have the best early bird times. Here we go. The first one is, man. Remember that? Remember that, people? Come back with me. Friday night school was closed from last night's snowstorm. You couldn't wait. You get up 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. You ask your mom, is this shit closed? She'd be like, yes it is, baby. Woo! I'm gonna go play my Mario. Or putting a tooth under your pillow and finding out the tooth fairy left you some money. And it was The Rock. The Rock gave you $5 the night before. And you woke up early in the morning, you got paid. Which doesn't happen anymore, but if it did happen in your adult time, that would be finding $5 in your pocket while doing laundry at 8:30 in the morning. All right, amen. So, and another great, fantastic early bird time moment, fucking Christmas! Come on! And then whatever you have, you just play for it. Play with it until breakfast time and then all the way until lunchtime. Merry Christmas, everyone. And happy Hanukkah if you're out there. And right now, it's sad to present some of the worst moments that happen by night owl people during night owl time. Like being told to go to bed early. I want to stay up. And you know what happens when you tell Brett, Matthew the third, to go to bed early? They turn into this. A Nazi.
Yeah.
A fucking Nazi.
I need to switch teams.
That's what happens. They get their goddamn tiki truck because mommy told me to go to bed. I want to stay up. What else happens at night? Horrible moment? The goddamn Falcons blew a 21-3 lead to the Patriots. The Patriots, the All Lives Matter team, they won because it was Black Lives Matter. That was Atlanta Falcons and they lost it. Everybody knows Brett. Everybody knows Brady. It's a goddamn Trump supporter. Horrible time at night. And we all know the biggest, worst night moment of them all during night owl times? This shit right here. God damn! Woo! I remember that night my aunt is such a gambler. She played the number 290, and that night she got deported back to Africa. And she was born in Brooklyn. Not a good night for any of us people. Woo, night owl time is the worst. Oh, boy. But you know what? What keeps us going, keeps us flowing during the daytime, during the early bird time? We get to see things like this. Woo! Look at that. Don't that warm your heart? And check the time, right? My man Obama was up 9:44 to tell you people to have a great fucking Thanksgiving. And I am still here for you. That's an early bird man right there. Here's a true fact that a night owl team will label fake news. Trump tweets more at night than in the morning. So let the record show my 45th president, Obama, is an early bird, and the night owl team president, their 45th, is a night owl. Woo-wee! Sorry. Obama again. See the time? 9:10 a.m. Let's talk about occupations. Occupations that helped mold this country and made it a better. Shit! I got so much. Wrap it up, sir. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Let's talk about the occupations that people get up early in the morning that mold this country and keep it thriving. Right? We got my bodega man right there. He made me my turkey, egg, and cheese, orange juice, and a black and mild off of $5.75 in the morning. Let's talk about, and then you have a night out like, hey, can I have a ham, egg, and cheese? He's like, no, kitchen closed. And then he's like, I'ma kill you, nigga. All right, let's talk about the barista that helps you white people get your coffee. Darrell and Kind of Shamika. They help you get your coffee every morning and they fuck up your name on purpose because of gentrification. Boom! The makeup artists don't get enough credit because they are up. I've been on a lot of sets and the makeup artist is always there first, 5 a.m., 6 a.m. And these are the people that are responsible to all your celebrities to beat their face and look beautiful.
These are all
right?
nighttime
Beyonce, excuse me, Rihanna, and her. So, without the makeup artists who are out there making your celebrities look beautiful, they will look like this. Bam! Can't have that. Woo! God bless the makeup artist. Her hair looks cute. Don't you talk about her. And let's talk about the best person that's up early in the morning when you're a night owl. Yeah? You out there partying, fucking. And then who's up there up in the morning? Not judging you. They are ready to give you your plan B pill so you can go on. Oh no, she's judging. judging. She's definitely judging. All right, and then let's talk about the working class. Black people in here moving, our parents, and they kept it going. We got to talk about the construction workers that built the building for $9 a club, the bus drivers, the teachers, the taxi driver, Uber drivers over there. The police. We got the airplane people and the Elmos in Times Square up in the morning trying to get a selfie with your kids. And then we got to talk about the first original OG working class. Slavery, motherfuckers! Yes! Don't feel guilty. This is part of our history. Accept it. They were up early. Well, you never heard a slave like, oh, that was good cotton. I'm about to go to the club. No. Did you know South Street Seaport, this is where they dock people because slaves, they built New York City. They built Wall Street, and they used to be disembarked by the South Street Seaport. So, fuck this place. And night owls party there, so they're pro-slavery. That's what that says. The slide fucked up, but night owls are pro-slavery. Not racist, just pro-slavery. Okay, and then, I forgot my next slide, but, oh yeah, that's why black people, we don't go on boats. Only time we go on boats is when we're wearing white and it's on the West Side Highway. Turn up! Okay, here we go, and rounding off to the end right now, closing out, I would like to end it with a quote. Oh, yeah, then, all right, never mind. All right, here's a quote that every early bird goes by. He or she who hoots with the owls at night cannot soar with the eagles in the morning. Right? Amen, amen. All right, because you got to remember, this quote came from an eagle, and this quote shaped a night owl's life. And the night owl I'm talking about, the Tootsie Roll Pop Owl. Yes, he's the smartest owl out there, and the eagle taught him that. How? Let's get deeper. Because he has a lot of backstory to how he learned this quote. Let's get even deeper. I present to you, VH1's Behind the Music, how many licks to become the smartest owl in the world? I didn't get that much of a big laugh. So, you know, as a Tootsie Roll Pop Owl, he was a party animal. He would dance, he would drink, and then he one time drank and got too drunk in the house and ate his brother, decapitated him. And then what he did after that, he cried his eyes out. And he was like, man, I'm having a hard time. So I'm gonna do a lot of cocaine. A lot of cocaine. Then he ran into his uncle that said, don't be like me. You have a future. You don't need this. And he said, you know what? I'm gonna go to school. And his professor was an eagle. Mr. Eaglesmith taught him that quote, and he became the Mr. Owl. How many limbs that progressed science to this day. An early bird has taught the night owl and gave him his fame. That is it. Thank you very much.